Most welcome to our channel all about art. My dear friends, this is Mo. I assume you will agree with me that the core or the life of a painting is light and shadow. This is because proper use of light and shadow brings out the three dimension in a painting and thus gives it a realistic view. Now, the things that is going on is pencil shading. Let's try to understand this drawing a bit. Here, the light source is abstracted. Here, the light source is unabstracted. Friends, we will demonstrate these light and shadow. Yes, these light and shadow just using hatching. Oh yes, obviously there will be the basic drawing. Before we begin, if you get any value from this video, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. Friend, hatching is an artistic technique used to create tonal and shading effects by drawing or painting closely spatial parallel lines in the same direction. These direction parallels can be diagonal, vertical, horizontal, oval, contour, cross, fine cross, basket, etc. I will bring out videos on all these type later in details for you. Here, while using the technique, we are using black vertical line on white. The most basic way of hatching, parallel hatching, in which a series of straight lines are drawn at a certain angle near one another. Actually, it is a means for building tone in an image using controlled lines. The thickness of the lines and the spacing between them allow artists to control value and color by affecting the ratio between the drawn material and the surface underneath. By keeping in mind that this technique lose its shine if variety of colors are used. In that case, different colors will bring different effects. The present day hatching technique was developed during the 1630s by Sylvester Petra Sancta, Marcus V. de la Colombier. Some earlier hatching methods were also developed but did not come into wide use. Famous artists who used hatching, especially in drawing and sketching, include Leonardo da Vinci, Rembrandt van Rijn, Augusta Rodin, Edgar Degas, Michelangelo. Artists such as Vincent van Gogh and Leonardo da Vinci use line and cross-hatching to create tone and highlight, making a drawing appear realistic and three-dimensional. My dear friends, they all are master artists. Let's see you fill objects or enclosed area with a specific pattern or texture. This feature is essential for helping you identify and customize certain objects and provide visual effects to your drawings. While using hatching or cross-hatching in a drawing can create a variety of textures. The technique is mostly used to create a full range of value. The placement of values within the work leads to the illusion of the form of the subject as well as the illusion of a defined light source. This is the complete picture. It is highlight portion, it is mid-tone portion, this is core shadow, and this is reflected light. In the further videos on the hatching technique, we will bring more types of lines for you. Stay with us, friends. See you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks a lot.